the things we do for you.
Yes.
You should be happy
Yes,
or
you should.
proud of watching us. Why? Because in this video you're gonna eat ice.
I see you.
Not my eyes, his eyes.
And I'm eating his eye. Here we are at the Dollarama. It's Halloween time once again, so we thought we'd come down and see what there is. Follow me. So, looking at some of the cool things, we have icy cups, which is chocolate fondant. There's things that look like marshmallow brooms. And there are chocolate covered balls. Lots of different things. I remember this as a child, Milk Duds.
They have M&M.
Yes, and of course M&Ms. So there's an aisle worth of Halloween stuff on this side, but if you're want to get into Christmas, they have some really cool stuff here for Christmas. So there's a beautiful snow globe, different scenes, lots of different cool ornaments for your tree, shiny. This reminds me of when we used to put things on our Christmas tree. Actual candies.
How much is $1.25?
Yeah, $1.25. So you can get some really nice stuff for really inexpensive.
$2. You got a more gay version?
Yes, if you want to have a Christmas tree and a Christmas disco party.
You can wear those earrings. Look at this. Yeah. $1.25.
And the classical ornaments, they're $2. Snowflakes of different colors.
The dance of the deer.
So this obviously is not for Brazil. And then getting back to Halloween. For anyone who loves skulls, you can walk around with a skull bag. What kid doesn't like gingerbread cookies? So you can get your gingerbread kid cookie and icing writer. So you have eyeballs and vampire teeth. There's stickers with a Halloween theme.
Have him. What do you do with him?
Wobble Pals kit.
Oh, you can paint. Add some crafts. You can make a ghost.
And then there's hairspray if you want to color your hair, but not actually.
Oh, you can do your beard. Ooh, you need hair extension.
Yes, and then there's cool choker bracelet for anyone into skulls.
So dangerous.
Yes, but only $2. So if you're a pirate or someone with an axe, you can come here and get it really
You have
easily.
an ass. Oh, look so fluffy.
I know.
This is very fluffy. So cute.
So if you're looking for an inexpensive costume, a butterfly.
Oi, my love. Hi, how are you?
Oh my god. So they have this is great because they have kids stuff, so it's small sizes.
You can get a hat, or if you don't wanna, if you don't like Halloween, you just go to this side.
Yeah. And this comes in really handy. It's a Christmas tree removal bag. So if you want to get rid of your Christmas tree, just buy one. It's only $3. And then if you want to spruce up your door, you could put this on your door.
You have balls.
Yeah.
You can be a rabbit, a bunny. That's scary. I'm gonna put your hat on.
No. But they have some really cool costumes.
Oh look, you can. That's very appropriate.
Hello.
Oh, you're so nice. There's no cocôzinho, little shit.
No, there's no cocôzinho.
Oh, but they have. Damn. Oh, they're scary. That's scary for me. A squid.
No.
Ah! Have more emojis. Oh, look at the cookie.
Gingerbread. And then emojis. Oh, so cute.
Oh my god, there's a mix of Christmas. Oh my god, Halloween ended.
Yes.
But then Halloween continues this side. They're confused.
Very confused.
We start this side. Now they're back to Halloween this side too. There's some piranha. No. And you have. Now it's Christmas again. They're confused.
Well, there was
Oh,
so
look at the
much
bear.
Christmas stuff.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah.
Do we have a tree? You can get trees.
Mini tree.
So they're confused of holidays. But they're bye.
And look at these really cool things that you can.
You need extra hand? Ooh, have a big spider.
Oh my god. What a big spider you have there.
So keep saying so. We like going to dollar stores because there is something funny to see and interesting.
And it's very affordable.
Every time my mom came to Canada, she loved going spending time there. She even got a lot of candies or Halloween stuff to our nephew João in
And
Brazil.
With my students, they love going there. They always go there and buy lots of things to bring back home. It's a perfect place to get souvenirs.
And things like this. So now you're gonna. It really feels funny.
Yeah, it feels really. Ugh.
Feels like. Look at the eye. Look into the eye. I'm gonna eat this thing. It's like a gummy bear.
I like it.
Like the eye? It's a gummy bearish. This time
Yeah, it's very squishy.
there's something in the white. I like the eye.
Okay.
Sweet eyes for you now.
Yes.
And
And now we go from eyes to skulls.
no, improving. 8 eyes, so whatever for skull, right?
Yeah.
Because there's so many candies and things. So basically, there's nothing. Disappointing. I thought you're gonna have some print of skull here.
No. It has bubbles.
It's crunchy.
And very crunchy.
I like it.
2 for
Besides,
2.
no skulls, but really nice.
And there's 2 of these.
How much was it?
Altogether, it came out to 13.
Yeah, because I got one more thing, 2 more things. Not related. I'm gonna try the cherry.
So basically, it has cherry and a little bit of alcohol.
Ooh. I'm gonna show. He doesn't show. He's so hungry.
That's the cordial part. The alcohol.
I'm drunk now. Yummy. This looks scary, like the eye, but oh yeah, I forgot to show the eye. Come in this.
You get a whole bag of.
It's different colors. I have green. I have orange. See, depending on the kind of eyes you like.
Yeah.
So again, see, keep saying so. Very Fluffies, so. Follow our video channel. She was looking at me, so I was distracted. Follow our channel, subscribe, thumbs up. Do you like Halloween?
What's your favorite part of Halloween?
If you don't like it, you don't like it.
Do you have a favorite candy that you like receiving?
Or if you had Halloween on your country, what kind of candies would you like to have? And that's it, right?
Do you go trick-or-treating?
Yes. If you're not in Canada, United States, most likely not. But good to know. Tell us. So, thumbs up to our video. Don't forget the bell to get notifications about us.
Ding!
You're on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I keep saying those things, so go.
You know what to do.
Yes. So see you next time, Fluffy. Scary hugs.
Scary hugs.